Hello, it's Joel Hawk from MarineMax. Today we've got a 2026 Harris Sunliner, all new design. Very sleek looking fencing. It's in white with a flat black accent. This is powered by a Mercury 300 V8. Here's your fender holders, radio controls when you're in the water. You got your charger along with the speaker and the controller. This boat has a 50-gallon tank, rough water package along with the lily pad ladder. This has the nice center walkthrough. Sunliner also now comes with a raised helm, all new dash, your phone charger and your controls. It does have the power tower. Built-in trash can here, 7-gallon can. Over on the port side, nice area for your anchor. Plenty of storage underneath the seats, along with the ski floor. Co-captain has a nice cup holder and speaker and little small dash. It is equipped with 2 batteries. It's a gorgeous boat. If you'd like to see more boats, please visit us at MarineMax.com. Once again, this is Joel Hawk from MarineMax of Lake of the Ozarks. Come out and see us. Thanks.